Don't fuck this up, cause I ain't did this in a minute. I'm scared. I did this before though. I don't know why I'm so scared. I just want to bring this up just a tad bit. Basically just taking length off the top portion of my hair. I don't really care about everything else. Everything else is fine. This is just to shape my afro, my wash and go. I'm gonna cut a little bit, just like right there. Like right there. Okay. I cut that little piece. That's one piece. So this front piece is just absolutely too long. Cut it. Yeah. I'm not gonna cut anymore because I get scissor happy sometimes and I'll cut a whole bunch. But this is pretty much how I wanted my hair. My right side is always much thicker than my left side, and then my left side is always much longer than my right. So I always have more volume here naturally. And then when I cut, I obviously cut more of this side because this side lays a lot flatter because it's more elongated than this side. So when I cut more, I get more volume on this side. Now obviously there is little pieces that still probably need to be cut, but I just wanted to give a mini shape to it. I have more volume now. That's pretty much how I shape my natural hair. I do my own diva cuts. I don't go anywhere. I'm happy I did that because now it has a little bit more like oomph to it, because before it was just like ugh, it was just dull, and I was fluffing it out to make it appear to be voluminous and round. But once I restyle my hair, I'll go back through it and see the parts that I still need to cut. Like I can still cut this. I like fresh cuts. I prefer fresh cuts and things like that. I'm trying to do some craziness here.